All right, Doug, I have your Minuteman finished up. It's pretty much the same one as I did for Nick, besides the colors. This one's all red. Man, these things just turn out so beautiful when they're finished. Max did just an amazing job on this frame, man. This thing is so awesome. So yeah, same parts. It's got the Rotorex 1404 6500 kV motors, the Mamba stack, and then the Unify Pro 32 with the True RC Singularity antenna, and then you got the XM Plus on top there, and the Foxeer Falcor camera. So I made it to where you could get into this hole right here to get either the bind button or the button for the VTX. You can see both buttons. Hold on a second. There we go. You can see both buttons right here. There's the one on top is the bind button for the receiver, and then the one below that is the VTX one. So I already have it bound up to my radio. You're going to bind it in D16 mode. It's a XM Plus. I did flash it for RSSI. Yeah, so let's plug it in and show you the video, do a little hover, and get this shipped out. So I'm going to test it on 2S, but 3S is going to be the best option for this quad. 2.5 inch 6500 kV is perfect for 3S. I think a 650 3S would be perfect. Man, that prop gets real close. Damn, I didn't notice that. It's like less than a millimeter away, but it's so stiff there's no way it would ever hit. All right.
Welcome to OpenDX.
So there's your video. Oh, fun fact for I flashed this for Betaflight 4.0. I've been having issues with certain flight controllers with Betaflight 4.0. One of them that I flashed to 4.0, I couldn't do anything in the modes tab or the battery tab. It wouldn't let me do nothing. And then another one that I flashed, I went to plug in the battery and it wouldn't do the last set of tones. It only did the first set of tones. So I haven't seen anything yet with this one. I think it's good, but yeah, it's just certain flight controllers, I guess, or something. I don't know. Maybe it might have been the Betaflight configurator, because I did notice today when I went to plug in that they had an update for the configurator. Now there's a 10.5.1. So I have no idea what's going on, but that's why I always wait for a while until I see a bunch of people saying that 4.0 or the newest Betaflight is good, you know, because there's always some kind of issues going on when it first comes out. All right, so video looks good. Let's do a little hover test. Even on 2S, this thing has plenty of power. It's so quiet too. That's the thing I love the most about these things, is those motors are just they sound so good, like a quiet bee. All right, so there you go, Doug. You got yourself a little beast here, a little rocket. I think you're gonna enjoy it. I know I would if I had one. I will definitely build myself one sometime soon, since spring is almost here, or here, whatever. We always get tons of rain around this time, so definitely gonna have one for myself for the summer though. So yeah, I think that about covers it. You got your plug right here for your camera. I have the controller right here.
Is your battery low?
God, my radio just does not want to stay charged. You got a couple other things here too. This goes on your battery strap if you wanted to put your XT30 in there. And then this is for mounting a crossfire antenna. And then you got your antenna that came with the Pro 32. And then this controller. So there you go. I'll get it boxed up and shipped out. I already sent you over the tracking, so we're good there. So, all right, thanks, Doug.